Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 22 May 2018, 13 of hour, 04 of minute and 22 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long do you microwave spaghetti squash to soften skin? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long do you microwave spaghetti squash to soften skin. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how long do you microwave spaghetti squash to soften skin. 1. Using a sharp knife, poke a few small slits in the squash skin. Poke in a dotted line along where you plan to slice the squash in half. 2. Microwave squash 5 to 6 minutes. Cool slightly. Last update October 31st, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.